Construction News Tracker is presented by Caterpillar, celebrating its Gold Medal Award for Cat Command, and produced by 4constructionpros.com. There's no political movement left in Washington between the White House and Republican operatives on infrastructure, as a deadlock has ensued, leaving the administration to concentrate on cajoling 10 senators, which has come forward with a $974 billion five-year plan that would top out at $1.2 trillion over 8 years. Interestingly, it would contain no tax increases. Meanwhile, the House Transportation Committee has come forward with a $547 million surface transportation bill. The five-year plan, to be voted on by September 30th, when the FAST Act expires, it focuses on roads, transit, passenger, and freight rail, but also faces funding challenges. Non-residential spending decreased some 0.8% in April, according to an ABC analysis of Commerce Department data. In 9 of 16 subcategories, spending dropped as both public and private residential spending lost the same amount for the month. ABC Chief Economist Anirban Basu says it's no surprise that non-residential spending continues to drop, pushed by the lag between economic recovery and reality now as the industry took a severe beating during the pandemic. Construction spending took a modest 0.2% rise in April as the housing market continued to move along, still 9.8% higher than in April of 2020. The longer-term outlook remains upbeat, says Basu, particularly if a realistic infrastructure package is adopted in Washington. Could rising materials prices be imperiling the nation's home building industry? Some in construction are beginning to sound the alarm bells, particularly of lumber prices, which have risen 375% from 2020. Framing lumber prices for early May were at $1,600 per 1,000 board feet, as compared with $350 per 100 last year. That alone, reports the National Association of Home Builders, adds $13,000 to the average cost of a new home, and it can't be sustained. Some contractors are refusing to quote prices on new homes, citing the explosive costs of materials, which are unsustainable. When the Biden administration pulled the permits on the XL pipeline project, stopping it from proceeding, it caused significant labor problems. Its developer has now concluded the 1,200-mile line is a lost cause, as TC Energy has canceled the $9 billion project to carry tar sand oil from Western Canada to U.S. refineries. Environmentalists fought the XL pipeline for years until the Biden White House canceled it for using too much in fossil fuels. The nation's jobs market picked up steam in May, adding 559,000 jobs, though economists were predicting 660,000 new jobs. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the U.S. unemployment rate is now at 5.8%, the lowest since March of 2020 and pre-pandemic. Construction did not fare well in the latest report, losing some 20,000 jobs after losing 5,000 in April and 7,000 in May, mostly from the non-residential sector. The highest incident of job gains came in hospitality, and the government reports many unemployed are still hesitant to return to work. The New York City area suffered $9.8 billion in lost construction activity and 74,000 jobs due to the pandemic. According to the Building Trades Employers Association, the virus hit the city so hard that minority and women business enterprises lost 85% of its work and are out of business as a result. The BTEA also says the year-long shutdown led to the decline of a decade of employment growth and anticipates it will take 5 years to recover. Many attendees to the World of Concrete convention in Las Vegas last week took the opportunity to experience the Loop transportation system at the Las Vegas Construction Convention Center. It was the first real test of the Boring Company underground tunnel that utilizes electric cars to transport people. Begun in 2019, the Elon Musk company had its first such tunnel system operational in the U.S., delivering people in a 2-minute ride with 62 cars from one convention building to another, and can accommodate 4,400 people per hour. The company seeks to build out a tunnel system to the various Las Vegas resort hotels and the airport in future years. A gold medal from the 2021 Edison Awards program has been delivered to CAT for its CAT Command for Construction system. The company was recognized as being the best of the best for its smart productivity tools, living and working environment category, and regularly given out to the best products and services worldwide since 1987. CAT Command removes the driver from the machine by providing a console and remote control operation of equipment, eliminating most of possible safety issues. CAT Command offers the industry's widest portfolio of remote-controlled machinery, and you can find out more regarding this prestigious gold award from your local CAT dealer. In closing, success often comes from taking a misstep in the right direction. This is Construction News Tracker, looking over the industry that makes the world a better place, presented by Caterpillar and produced by 4constructionpros.com. Follow us on social media at Twitter using hashtag Construction News, YouTube at 4constructionpros, and on Facebook at /4constructionpros, as the streaming web never ends.
Construction News Tracker is presented by Caterpillar and produced by 4constructionpros.com.